Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So today we are making watermelon and the pineapple juice with ginger. We've already eaten half of the watermelon. They are all coming out from the fridge, both the watermelon and the pineapple. So I'll go ahead now and cut and peel them. Okay, let's peel them. I'm going to juice it, so I better cut them into smaller sizes. So we have pineapple and the watermelon all peeled and cut into chunks for easier blending. So I've also chopped the ginger. I'm tempted to eat one pineapple, so permit me to eat one. Very sweet. Very sweet pineapple. Very sweet. So I'll add to my blender and blend. And I'm preserving the skin for my Zobo drink. And here we have our sweet watermelon, pineapple, and the ginger juice. Just chill this in the refrigerator for some hours or enjoy it with some ice cubes. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.